Hello everyone, welcome to Fixing Tiny Tedious Things. I'm recording this quick video to show you a great course which I have just come across, and it is absolutely free. This course is about CCNA, how you can pass this certification. CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. This is the first certification which can get you hired in the networking field. So there are people who are looking to pass this certification and have no idea how to go about it and how to pass it successfully. So for those, I have found one course, and that course is by Matt Carey, and it is on Udemy. It's absolutely free for you to enroll. So as you can see, this course has been taken by 4,500 odd students, and the course rating is 4.1 after 177 ratings. This is a short course, 15 minutes, as you can see. This is what this course covers. It shows you exam overview, certification guides, lab equipment, practice exams, scheduling the exam, taking the exam, video training courses. So this course is pretty much perfect for those who want to pass CCNA and have no idea how to go about it. So start from here, take this course and learn the steps this instructor walks you through. This instructor is himself a Cisco CCNA CCNP certified professional, so you will be learning a lot from his experience. I'll be sharing this link with you in the description box of this video, so go ahead and check it out. Enroll in this course for free and start learning. Let me know if you have any question regarding this, and if you are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now, because I'm going to share more resources like this in future as well. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye.